I'm going to talk to you about clinical trial cost modeling, how you can model the cost of running a clinical trial at the planning stage. A clinical trial protocol is an important part of the project and it's drafted before the clinical trial begins. It's a long document and it's often around 200 pages long in PDF format. Trial protocols describe the objectives and the design of a trial. They provide the rationale and the background for the study, and they have to meet standards that adhere to the principles of good clinical practice. Clinical trial planning is a challenging area of drug development. Calculating the costs or the risk of a clinical trial also requires a business assessment involving a team of experts who must read the protocol thoroughly. This is usually done manually inside pharma companies and funding organizations. At Fast Data Science, we are developing a natural language processing tool called the Clinical Trial Risk Tool, which can estimate risk and cost factors of a clinical trial. You can try the tool at this address, clinicaltrialrisk.org. It can be integrated into trial management platforms, allowing pharma companies to leverage AI in their operations. Our natural language processing and AI models can read the protocol and get valuable bits of information from the protocol text, such as the type of treatment, the pathology, or the number of subjects. We are constantly improving the tool and we are looking for collaborators in the pharma space, as cost and risk factors are unique to each pathology, phase, and intervention type. The clinical trial risk tool was initially designed to focus on HIV and TB trials in low and middle income countries, but we are expanding it to more areas of clinical research such as oncology or diabetes. The initial version focusing on HIV and TB is completely open source under MIT license, and you can download and run the source code from github.com/fastdatascience/clinical_trial_risk. We have done further analyses, such as making a regression model to predict the dollar cost of running a trial based on data from past trials, and we are working on refining our models. My name is Thomas Wood, and my company is Fast Data Science. We specialize in unstructured data such as natural language processing and machine learning in the healthcare, pharma, legal, and insurance industries.